In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of Facebook Messenger on all devices at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messenger app. Basically, if you suspect that someone is using your account on another device or you logged into your account from another device, you can easily unlog in from any account using your primary device. And to do that, first off, just tap right here at these three lines, then tap at that gear to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and tap at See More in Account Center. Yes, guys, first off, we need to head over to Meta Account Center and then tap at Password and Security. On the next step, right here, we can find where you are logged in, and if we tap at this option, we need to first off choose our Facebook account. Facebook Messenger obviously belongs to Facebook, so we need to choose our Facebook account, and on the next step it will show us all the devices where we are signed in with our Facebook account. Here I got my current device, iPhone 15 Pro, and my another device, Samsung Galaxy S23. And from here we can unlog in from all the devices, including the current one, at once. To do that, all you have to do is just hit at Select Devices to log out, then hit at Select All, and then tap at Log Out, and then hit at Log Out to continue. After that, as you can see, I've been successfully signed out from even my current device, and then I need to log in back again. As you can see, I've just successfully logged back in. Now, guys, if you suspect that someone else may know your password and they are able to log in back to your account as well, I recommend you to change your password. So, in the same way, head over to Meta Account Center, then Password and Security, and then tap at Change Password here. Select your Facebook profile, enter your current password here, and then enter new password, re-enter it, and hit at Change Password to proceed. Keep in mind that your new password must be at least 6 characters long and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.